Welcome to channel. I'm going to do a whole transmission change on 2009, 2011 Corolla. So I just bought this one. The transmission, they actually they use the car been running fine. Only 120,000 miles on it. So they come with a torque converter. So when you put it in, you gotta make sure they line up all the way. So you can see it, everything is ready to line up right here. So right now I'm gonna take it off in here. So right now I don't check the car up yet. I'm trying to leer all the way up here first, and then I check it up, and then I do the rest underneath. So right now everything ready here. So I'm going to take it up, unplug the battery, leer all the way back here. Intake is gonna be out, battery out, battery racket gonna be out, battery tray gonna be out. So the transmission, everything is done up there. So you gotta leer all the way off. So let me do it. Okay, battery out. Over, be out. Alright, so right now I'm leer all the way out. So all the connection right there, unplug it. Yeah, it tuck on the side right here. Yeah, and then all the hoses from what is it called, AC compressor, all hoses, they connect to here. Unplug it, and you tuck. After unplug it, you gotta tuck away everything away. So, and I rub the transmission out. So basically transmission so far, you can see it, couple bolt right there, number 12, one there, one here, and one bottom there. That basically they got 8 of them. So before take it out, everything, so they got a couple bolts in inside the flywheel too. See all the flywheel. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside the flywheel to take it out. Lose it. This is a torque converter. So, yep. All right. So the tie ready off. Right now we got to take it off the axle. So this one right here, and pull the axle out of there. Two bolts right here for the stroke front shock. So you need to take this one out and pull the axle out of there. Okay, let's do it. Right. See, that's the one. It come out. So axle on the passenger driver already come out. And the same thing with on the driver side, on the passenger side. So same thing. So you gotta take time to pull it out. So to kind of pain in the butt to take it out. There you go. So I bend all of this thing, the cover, so we can get it back in. So this on the passenger, and that one is driver side. So right now both axle is already out. Right now next step we do it, we take it off the. All right, so right now I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put the jack on the oil pan, so to support the engine starter. So they have one more bottom here. I just took it up. Right now this is the engine mount right here. I took it up, both of them. couple bolts and take it out. So right now we gotta go around them with the engine mount. I'm going around with the 14 couple bolt right here. You gotta loosen them up and then go back on the top. So right now, and then we have a couple bolt right here more on the side. Number 14 right there. Right there, number 14. They have one more down here, back there. One more back there and one more over here. So right now I'm still have the engine mount on this one to keep it, to hold it until I lose them out, and then I rub it out at the same time. So before I rub this one down, take this one off, the engine mount on the side. So I have to put this the transmission jacks on it. Okay, let them sit like that, and I'm gonna put a thing over. Okay, one. Two. Three. Wow, that's the start of the longer bow. Yep, too long a bow. And we go to the bottom, and you can see it that the extra holes. This one's supposed to be have a cover. I just took it out of cover, so the flywheel is right there. So what you do is just keep rolling it, and the bow right there. You can see the bow. So yep, you gotta take it out. So when you roll it until the one you want it. So see, it keep running. You push it, and then they keep. See, that's the one that's how the way you do for the flywheel with the torque converter to tie them. So, yep, that's the one right there. So I just loot them out. So I'm trying to take it out right now. Okay, let's come out. So all good now. Yeah. All right. Whew. Okay. Couple hours to get it out. So now I got the foot back in, everything back to normal, where the way it is. So I just I'm gonna take it off the torque converter out here. I don't need it. So this one they come with it. So I'm going to install at this. So all right. If you guys like it, give me a thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.